How to make passive income without investment. That's what I'll be covering in this video. Building passive income streams is where I focus 99% of my time, and the reason being is because I like to build businesses that are real assets that continue to grow. Now, it's important that I note that passive income doesn't mean you can be lazy and make lots of money doing very little work. Almost all passive income businesses require lots of upfront work, and then from there you actually still need to devote time in order to maintain them and keep them growing. Now, there's two different ways to build passive income businesses. Number one is you invest lots of money into things like real estate, index funds, the stock market, and it continues to grow over time. We're going to focus on method number 2 in this business, which is investing your time. Now, before we go any further, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Zach Crawford, and I want to give you a chance to win one of my $1,000 courses completely for free. All you need to do is go below, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and finally comment on any of my videos on the channel daily for a new chance to win. Now, back to making passive income without any money. If you don't have money, that's not an excuse. That's not a problem. What we do is we trade the lack of funds with actually trading your time. Now, I do paid traffic, and paid traffic is great. It helps you get results fast, and that's pretty much what we all want, right? Now, the downside with paid traffic is the fact that it's not actually passive income, it's active income. The moment you stop paying the bill, the moment you turn off the ads, you get no more traffic and you're not actually building a real asset that continues to grow. You know, even if you're the type of person that doesn't have to bootstrap your business, if you're doing paid traffic now or you want to do paid traffic, that's great. However, you should be doing what I'm teaching you in this video in combination with paid traffic. Now, building passive income is rather simple. It comes down to generating free traffic, capturing those leads of the actual visitors that are landing on your website, and then finally making offers to them or actually selling something to them so you can get paid. The business model I'm teaching you is passive income because of the fact that you're building a real asset. You're building something that's going to keep growing week after week, month after month, year after year. Once you collect that email, you can keep following up with those same people to make them additional offers that will solve their problems and in return make you money. Now, in order to show you how this process works, you can kind of understand it, because me personally, I understand better visually than just hearing something. I'm going to flash up a screen right now to show you what this looks like. Now, on the left side of the diagram, we have our traffic sources. This could be Google, YouTube, or social media platforms. What you do then is you send that traffic to a piece of content where you offer them something for free to collect their email, or you can send them to a one-page website called a squeeze page to offer them a free gift to collect their email. Now, once they're on your email list, what you want to do is send them a series of, say, 3 to 10 emails with either tips or free information to help them solve their problems, and then you can make them an offer for the product you want to sell. And if they don't end up buying, what you can do is you can keep following up with them in the future to send them to your new content, or you can send them to additional offers and additional products that they can buy. Now, personally, my favorite free traffic sources are Google and YouTube, and the reason being is it's like taking a sniper rifle to a gunfight. You can create content with laser-like accuracy that answers the specific question that your visitor is looking for, which is going to raise the probability that they want to buy your product. Just like the site I found called Develop Good Habits. It creates content on exactly what you think it sounds like, which is creating successful habits and improving your life. How I come across this site is I typed in the best green juice powder, and I come across their blog post that was the 3 best green juice superfood powders, and it answers the exact question I was looking for. Now, what I did is I took a look around their site and I kind of scrolled down the page to look at what they were using to monetize their website. How are they getting paid, right? And they're using AdSense ads and affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's rather simple. It's just referral marketing. Basically, you would refer the product to someone. If they make a purchase through your unique link, you get paid a commission. Now, what Develop Good Habits is doing is they're simply writing content around everything imaginable in their niche. They're writing, articles around like the green juice, right? And they're linking out to ClickBank and using Organifi. They're writing, reviews around the best shoes for men, and then they're linking out to shoes on Amazon. And once you sign up to something like Amazon, you literally can link out to anything on the website. This site is pretty much doing everything correct. They literally have articles ranking for all different types of things. When I plugged it into my SEO tools, they are everywhere. They literally are getting over 1 million visitors a month. So if you want a great example for what to model and how to do things right, this site is a perfect example. They literally are ranking for everything. They put the work in up front, creating the content, and now they're going to have a passive income stream that's literally going to send them traffic, leads, and sales for years to come. Now, the thing I want you to pay attention to the most is not the fact that they have all these articles out there ranking, making them sales. That's great. That's awesome. But what's really important is the fact that they're collecting the email, because this gives them the ability to follow up with that customer for years to come. All right, the second part of the equation is to capture leads. Now, I know that I already talked about this a little bit already, but I want to dive deeper into this because it's the most important lesson I can teach you. The fact of the matter is that most people won't buy right away. I talk about this all the time. There's actually an article out there, you can go look it up, that it's proven that there needs to be over 7 points of contact for your average person to buy. I personally think it's a lot more than 7, and this is why collecting the email is so crucially important. We literally can go out there and, write articles around Organifi review and the best green juice super powders and link to our affiliate links. But the problem with this is most people aren't going to buy, and if we're not collecting the email, we are going to be leaving tons and tons of money on the table. This is why it's so crucially important that we collect the email. We got to create some kind of freebie to give away. It can be an ebook, it can be a video, it can be an email course. It really doesn't matter. The important part is that you get the email, because I want you to understand your email list is going to be your most valuable asset. It's going to be the thing that makes you the most money, not your blog with your affiliate links, but your email list. When you have that email list, you can send people back to more blog posts that you create with those affiliate links, which is going to make you additional money. I've literally had people that have opted into my email list, not bought a single thing, and then 6 months later bought a $10,000 offer. Now imagine, if I didn't collect that email, that would have been a lot of money down the drain, right? So what you really want to understand out of this whole video is the most important thing you can create when you create this whole business model is to collect emails. Now the third part is to make sales. Now we've got the traffic going, we've collected the emails, the final equation is to actually convert people into paying customers. Now the best way to do this is to create what's called an email follow-up, or what most people refer to as a sales funnel, which is going to guide people down the process to make a purchase. So technically this isn't 100% passive income without investment, right? You're going to need to invest a little bit of money. You can do part of the process, you can create the blogs and the content, link out to your affiliate links, but realize you're leaving a lot of money on the table. By not collecting that email, it's pretty much burning money. So my suggestion is to do things right from the start, because the amount of money you can make in return for your investment is just absolutely insane. Tool number one you're going to need is an email autoresponder. This could be things like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, which is what I use. And then you're going to need a sales funnel builder like ClickFunnels, but there is other tools on the marketplace. What I want you to keep in mind is you literally can create a 6 or 7 figure business with what I'm teaching you here if you're consistent with it with just a little bit of money invested in the tools. Now, if this whole sales funnel concept is confusing, you're not sure what to do, what I'm going to do is link to a video at the end of this video that explains it in extreme detail, because that'll save us about 10 minutes of me babbling. All right, so let's recap what we talked about here. So the first thing is we want to find a traffic source to generate leads, something like YouTube or Google. And then from there, we want to actually capture those leads. We want to give them an ebook or a video or some kind of free course to collect the email. And then finally, we want to follow up with these people to make them an offer and then make them additional offers for now and years to come. This, in my opinion, is the best passive income business you can create. It's a real asset that continues to grow. It's not based on trends like, say, Facebook ads work for the moment, then 6 months from now it doesn't, so our whole business collapses. This is a business that I've been doing for years. It's something that continues to grow. My money gets bigger and bigger every single month, and it's not something I'm constantly stressed out hoping that my business is still going to be running a year from now. It's a real business. It's something that is going to grow years to come, and it's something I know can change your life just like it did for me. So that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, I'd appreciate if you hit that like button. It helps me reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and then finally, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.